Hello and welcome. Have you ever noticed that the colors of photos taken by cameras can sometimes look different from the colors we see with our own eyes? In this video, we'll explore why that is and what causes these differences. Color vision in humans. To understand why cameras and human eyes perceive colors differently, we first need to understand how our eyes perceive color. The human eye has three types of color-sensitive cells, called cones, that are responsible for our color vision. These cones are sensitive to different wavelengths of light and are most sensitive to red, green, and blue light, respectively. The ratios of these cones can vary greatly among different individuals, with some people having more of one type than others. According to one source, the ratio of M and L cones can range from values of 75.8% L with 20.0% M to 50.6% L with 44.2% M in two male subjects. RGB color model. On the other hand, cameras and digital devices use a different system for representing colors. This system is called the RGB color model, which stands for red, green, and blue. In this model, colors are created by mixing different intensities of these three primary colors. The ratio of these colors is typically 1/3 red, 1/3 green, and 1/3 blue, although there can be variations depending on the device or the software used. Color spaces. Another factor that can affect how colors appear in photos is the color space used by the device or the software. A color space is a specific range of colors that can be represented by a device or software. There are many different color spaces, each with its own range of colors and characteristics. Some common color spaces used in digital devices and software include sRGB, Adobe RGB, and ProPhoto RGB. Each of these color spaces has different strengths and weaknesses and can affect how colors are represented and displayed. White balance. White balance is another important factor that can affect the colors of photos. The human eye can easily adjust to different lighting conditions and perceive white as white, regardless of the actual color temperature of the light. Cameras, on the other hand, need to be calibrated to adjust for different lighting conditions. This is done through a process called white balance, which adjusts the color temperature of the image to make sure that white objects appear white. If the white balance is not set correctly, colors can appear too warm or too cool. Conclusion. So, why do the colors of photos taken by cameras look different from the colors we see with our own eyes? There are several factors at play, including the ratio of color-sensitive cells in the human eye, the RGB color model used by cameras and digital devices, the color space used by the device or software, and the white balance settings. Understanding these factors can help us take better photos and achieve more accurate colors in our images. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.